Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Yamaha FJR1300. As you can see, it comes with full luggage and a few other extras as well. I'll do a full walk around of the bike and then we'll get her started up. So down here at the forks, you can see you've got a little mudguard extender there as well. Nice Michelin tyres on there, plenty of life left in them. Adjustable windscreen. If there's any blemishes on the bike, I will flag them up. The majority of the bike is in good condition. A couple of little marks I will flag up. But small little scuff there. No rips and tears in the seat. And as you can see, you've got the luggage on the rear here as well. Coming round this side. A little bit of corrosion up here. Nothing major. I will flag up, there's a little, it looks really big on the screen, but just for comparison, that's my pinky finger next to it, so it's not terribly big, but it does look massive in the camera there. The rest of the bike's looking alright. Up here you can see you've got some Oxford heated grips, easily controlled with this button here. You've got your adjustable screen, hazards, hopefully you'll not need them. You've also got the cruise control system either on as well. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let me get the bike started. I'll just let the bike warm up for a minute, and just while I do, I'll confirm everything else is working. So I'll start, I've just put the hazards on there. I'll start with the screen here. So again, just pushing this button, you can see it raises, and back down again, nice and easy. Goes quite handy when you're on the move. Indicators there. You've got your standard running light and your full beam there as well. Horn works, nice and easy. Cruise control is really easy to use as well. There's just a start and a stop button. Obviously kind of hard to show you when I'm stationary. There. I'll give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. Yamaha FJR1300. Any questions you've got with the bike, please let me know. Cheers.